So, what?
Wheel rusted out on it. It's gone.
Oh no!
The back wheel.
Oh no! Is that the one you already fixed the wheel on?
Yeah. No, I fixed the front one.
Yeah.
Different one.
Well, you're not gonna fix the back one?
No, the whole metal's gone off
But
of
the
it.
engine works.
Yeah.
That's sad. So the wheel rusted off our mower. It's only like 2 years old. Living down here, man, it rusts stuff out. So Keith told me there's a bird in the shed.
Pretty little bird.
We'll see.
Sitting on a chair.
He said it's sitting on the chair. We're gonna go see. Oh my gosh, it is sitting on the chair. There's a bird sitting on the chair. Mm-hmm. Okay, so there's a bird in here, y'all.
Oh, wow.
You see it?
Yeah, I see. Is it fake?
I think it needs to go outside. Hey, little bird. What's up with you? I wonder why it's in here. I don't know what to do. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Look, we're not going to keep him. It's a wild bird. Well, what do we do with this, y'all? Is it broken? It's very cute. Look how pretty and smooth that fur or the feathers look. Well, it looks like fur. It's feathers. Okay. We gotta figure out how to get this guy out of here. Oh my goodness. What do we do there? Okay. Oh, do you think maybe his little feet are in the blanket, maybe? There's a reason why it's sitting there and not flying away from me, because it's a wild little bird. Do I need to grab it? Look, y'all, I don't know what to do. Okay. Okay. Oh, it doesn't look good. I'm sorry, I'm moving the camera all around. What do you think? Is it not okay? Maybe it needs some water? Oh, and there's ants here. I don't want the ants to get you. That's not a good place for you. Okay, we're gonna try this. Well, it flew off, y'all. I didn't want to leave it there. I was gonna leave it there, but I remembered it's over by your truck. I remembered there was look at these ant hills here. I didn't want to leave it with all the ants. I was gonna leave it sitting there on the stump. It's over there by your truck. Something must be wrong with it. It let me just pick it up. Okay, that's all for now. Y'all take it easy. But wait, it's over here. Should I bring it some water? I would bring it a shallow dish of water. I will. And I have some bird seed, but you know, I can't help that. All right. Poor little bird. It's so hot outside. We'll see what I can do. I will try, okay? See you later.